that send message on the About tab of a profile, it will go here. So
Yeah.
that's where it's going to go. Or if somebody goes compose, they click compose, and then they open here, the composer, and they click my business name, and then they just send me a general email. It will also go to general.
Yeah.
But if somebody, I don't really need to do this here, but let's just say it might not match this screen. Just let's focus on this part. If somebody clicked from my investment section on my profile, the message would go here to investment.
Mm-hmm.
If somebody sent me a quote request, a service request, or a deal related message, it will all go under my listings. If it was mine, if it was my deal or my product, it would all go. Listings is referring to all your products, your deals, services, all that. Then it would go under here. So let's see if we did it the right way. Yeah, I apologize, but this should actually not be purple. I should change that. This should be purple here if we want to really reflect it the right way.
Mm-hmm.
Because this is where it would go. It would go in this inbox. Okay. That's again, if I'm the owner. Now, if I send a message about somebody else's deal or service or product or those sorts of things, then it would go under member listings. So this is outgoing to other people. Does that make sense? So if I send you a deal, a message about your deal, about your product, then that message, when I look at it, it would be under here because it's other people's listings.
You mean?
Any questions?
Yeah. If I'm sending, like, I want to do, like, to get a deal, so it goes to my listings, yeah. But what is different between these two categories? My listings and can you zoom in? And member list.
Yes.
It's what? So my listings, it's my deals.
Yes, that's messages I receive from other users about my deals, my products, my services.
Yeah.
I receive those messages from other users. Member listings is messages I send. This is more of a
You
send.
send. Okay, got it.
Messages I send to other users about their deals,
There. Okay.
their
Yeah.
products, their services. So you could think of it as sort of receiving the message about your products and services versus you sending the messages about the product. Because keep this in mind too, and this is a good point here. On Leafy Loop, yes, you might have a marketing plan. You might have a plan where you say, okay, I'm going to post deals, post products, and I want to get customers. But you still have the ability to browse other users and to get a quote. Maybe you also want to buy something or find somebody to be a service provider, right, for you. So you don't have to only do one thing. Even if you have a marketing plan, you can still be seeking services and products, etc. And that gives you that flexibility. Okay, so I think we're good there. So let's go back to business profile. This is our about screen. To write a review. Okay. I click this. I'm not going to go under every case. We have little cases like, if the user gives more information for investment, less information. All of these are the investment labels, the different cases of how that could display. Okay. I also will say this. The way we have the logic, if you are, let's say, a free member, no, this is not right here. This has to be updated. So sorry, there's a few places where we made a decision later. I didn't update it here. But our logic is that you will